Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well. In today's video I will be sharing with you guys my current skincare routine. As you guys can see that my skin condition is way better than before, so I thought of sharing all the products that helped me to get rid of my acne. But before we proceed to the video, let me clear a few things. First of all, don't change your skincare products very often. This is not something that I will recommend. Secondly, these products worked for me but might not work for you, so yeah, that's something that you have to keep in your mind. Third and most importantly, in case you have very sensitive and acne prone skin, then I would suggest consult a dermatologist. That's better. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the intro. Now let's move on to the skincare products. For the face wash, I shuffle between two face washes. The first one is the Quench Botanics Cheerleader Shine Control Gel Face Wash. It's a gentle foaming face wash and you will get a silicone brush at the top. It deeply cleanses our skin, hydrates and refreshes our skin. And the second one that I use is the Minimalist Salicylic Acid Face Wash. Now I use the Minimalist one more than the Quench Botanic one because I'm almost done with the Quench Botanic face wash and I really need to buy one. But talking about the Minimalist face wash, it's so gentle. It's great for oily acne prone skin. It doesn't dry out my skin. It's very gentle. They have changed the packaging actually. They have introduced the tube form. For the toner, I use Minimalist PHA 3% alcohol free face toner. It's great for pore tightening and it provides that mild exfoliation. This toner is great for oily acne prone and sensitive skin. It will provide you that glowing skin. Now I will be taking few drops on my palm and then I will warm it up and then I will simply press it on my skin. That's how I like to apply my toner. If you wish, you can use cotton balls or like cotton pads to apply your toner, but I generally prefer this technique more than using cotton balls or like any other stuff. For the face serum, I use Minimalist 10% niacinamide face serum for acne marks, blemishes and oil balancing with zinc. Now I have to mention that this product is a game-changing product for me. Like the toner and this serum, both of the products worked so well on my skin. It has reduced my acne marks and then it has provided that glowing effect to my skin, which I have to mention. Now I will be taking 3 to 4 drops of the product. Again, I will be warming it up and then I will press it on my skin. And all the products are easily available on Amazon, so you can definitely check out from there. Please check out the description box, that will help you. Next, I will be using Quench Botanics Mama Chica Dark Circle Fading Under Eye Cream. It comes with a roller ball applicator, but I will be using my fingertips to apply the product and I will be massaging my under eyes really well. This product is enriched with chica, Korean ginseng, lotus root, licorice root and orange peel oil. Now I have horrible dark circles and this product is working really well on my skin and you guys can see that I'm almost done with the product. So yeah, after using a decent amount of product, I can say that this product is great in removing dark circles. Next, I will be using L'Oreal Paris Revite Lift Crystal Gel Cream. Summer is approaching, so I really need something that will hydrate my skin, that will refresh my skin at the same time. मेरी skin chip या तो heavy feel ना हो. And trust me, gel creams are always great for summer. So I'm currently using this one. It's oil-free face moisturizer with salicylic acid. Now I have done a detailed video on this product. If you wish, you can go through that. I will provide the links either on my iCard or on my description box, so please check out from there. And here comes the most important thing for summer, which is sunscreen. The one that I use is from the brand The Natural Wash and it's their Sun Defense sunscreen with SPF 50. Now it do leave white cast, so I would suggest that don't apply the product directly on your skin. Like apply a little bit and then just massage it really well in your skin, and that's how you can prevent that white cast thing. So yeah, that's what my simple skincare routine looks like. बहुत ही basic skincare routine है. मैं सारे products के purchase links description box पे mention कर दूँगी. सारे products Amazon पे easily available है, तो आप लोग वहाँ से जाके purchase कर सकते हो. And don't forget to share your skincare routine with me. I would love to know that. And in case you have any queries or any suggestion, please leave them down in the comment section. I would love to read that. Yep, with that we completed today's video and see you guys soon. Bye and take care.